Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another update video, and this one is about Theta. So recently, the Theta Network Twitter posted this tweet. Tune in to Upbit Global Developer Conference to see Theta's Wes Levitt present on the evolution of NFTs on Theta blockchain. The presentation and Q&A will air on Wednesday at 13:30 KST. And I actually have to look up what KST is because I'm not familiar with that one. I know Central Pacific. Anyway, yes, I have to look that one up. And that brings me to the website of where Wes Levitt will be speaking. So NFT will be on day one, NFT 3, the evolution of NFTs on Theta blockchain. NFT, which has emerged as one of the hottest keywords in the blockchain space, is drawing a lot of attention with its ability to confirm the rarity and originality of digital assets. While current excitement around arts, K-pop, sports, and games, many are curious about endless possibilities of NFT. To what extent it will be applied to, with growing importance, UDC 2021 will dedicate one of the 2 days as quote unquote NFT day and take a deep dive into how the world's leading projects are preparing the future of NFT, which can really become a core concept of the future industries. So join us at UDC 2021 to hear essentially from Theta. And as we all know, Theta, they are going heavy into these NFTs, and they're taking it above and beyond just the GIFs, the JPEG images, and the videos. And in the future, they will implement, hopefully, in theory, in order to watch a concert, maybe you can buy an NFT and then redeem it in order to watch a live stream concert and things like that, maybe with video games. A lot more of that will be released later this year, or actually maybe in this conference. So that's why it would be good to, tune in. If not, your boy's going to make a quick video so you guys will have any updates that came out during this 30-minute speech. Which also brought me to one more thing about the most recent TDROP white paper, and not necessarily the white paper itself, but the Medium article that came out right after the white paper. So it came out either a day or two afterwards, and it's introducing the Theta Ecosystem 2022 and TDROP NFT liquidity mining token. And it's a quick read, but if we go to the bottom here, there's one thing that did stand out to me, this last sentence. So once decentralized NFT storage is implemented, Theta NFTs will be hosted on Elite Edge nodes, allowing node operators to earn 1% of any T-Fuel sales of NFTs that they are storing. So this one kind of hit me where I did read this before, but so in the future, if Theta, T-Drop, or Theta Drop, the marketplace becomes as popular as something like OpenSeas, we'll go over to Theta Drop right now and check it out. So essentially, if you run an Elite Edge node, you can make 1% of the sale of anything that goes on. So, they have one championship that's going to be coming out soon, Katy Perry. Like, I'm assuming you could buy tickets and other memorabilia for Katy Perry, and Katy Perry's not cheap. I can tell you that right now. And other artists that come with CAA, and I made a video about that recently. Beyonce, Justin Bieber, anything tied to those guys and gals is not cheap. So just to be able to make 1% of that would be awesome. And especially if it's something that's running in your computer in the background, just passively, making you passive income is another way for you just to get more jobs. Because I know if you do run it in Elite Edge node or an Edge node, the jobs are pretty few and far between right now. So this is another way, another vehicle to produce more income for, Theta's Edge nodes. An example, we'll go to Theta Zilla. This is one of their original, I think it was their original actually. So if you bought the legendary Theta Zilla airdrop, and who knows if anyone will ever buy that, but 3.5 million. So if you take 1% of that, that's 35,000 that you could potentially make just by having your edge node or elite edge node store this on the computer. And then if someone were to buy it, that would be a nice little paycheck for you. And then one other example, just referring to OpenSeas right now, this is a huge marketplace where a lot of people go to buy things. And if you can see, there's updates all the time, but the prices of these things are all over the place. This one costs about 4 Ethereum, and Ethereum is going for a little over 3,000. So for easy math, a little over $12,000 right there. 15 Ethereum, almost 3 Ethereum. So just taking 1% of that, just for storing these items, these NFTs on your computer, being an elite edge node, that is actually pretty enticing. So I do hope that Theta in the future, they continue to ramp up their Theta Drop marketplace and they implement this decentralized NFT storage. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see y'all next time.